Hi everyone, Diane Gonzalez, Arbonne Independent Consultant, and I wanted to come in today and explain to y'all, introduce you to our Arbonne protein shakes. They are so delicious, smooth, rich, good flavor, but they're vegan. I tell you what, I'm going to go over here and give you all the facts about them. Boom. So here we are. Do the daily shake with delicious, nutritious, perfectly balanced chocolate or vanilla shake mix. It provides 20 grams of vegan protein to help support muscles, delivering 100% amino acid score, plus more than 20 essential vitamins and minerals per serving. It's clinically tested and certified to have a low glycemic index, which has little effect on blood sugar levels and does not cause a spike in blood sugar. It's supplemented with these 20 vitamins and minerals such as vitamin E and magnesium to support overall health, energy, and well-being. Can be blended with a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. Our green balance, which is a full serving of 30 vegetables and fruits. Our daily fiber boost to supplement nutrient values and taste. And it's clinically tested and qualified with a low glycemic index. And when you purchase and get on the program with our protein shakes, I will gladly share dozens of recipes if you're curious about how to blend them with other things. Not necessary, but it's an option. Okay, the Arbonne Advantage. These products are called daily essentials because they are best used when used every day. So you can experience the building benefits of proper nutrient, fiber, and protein intake as you continue on your personal wellness path. Daily Essentials products work best when used together to deliver complete nutrition options that can help fill the gaps in your daily diet and provide a health and wellness solution that fits seamlessly into any busy lifestyle. And the key ingredients, essential amino acids, help support muscle repair and protein synthesis. Low allergen potential is achieved by avoiding common allergens such as soy and whey, which are present in many protein mixes. 20 grams of natural vegan protein promotes satiety and is easily digestible. Now, coming down here, I just want to show you that the calories 160, it's awesome. But I'm also going to come over here and show you this comparison to 3 of the common product names on the market. And what is awesome is that our protein type is purely vegan: pea, rice, and cranberry. Shakeology has whey, Herbalife has soy, and Vega has hemp and flax. And you want to be careful of some of these products, especially whey and soy, because they can really play with your hormones and your balance of your body, and you do not want to be constantly taking in stuff that is going to be changing the process of your own body. These minerals, 12 minerals, the others have 11, and 6. We have no fructose, 9 grams of sugar, and our sugar source is stevia, so a plant-based sugar source that is easily digestible and does not throw your glycemic index into a crazy thing. Now, they come in 2 forms. You can get a package of 10 individual servings, or you can purchase the big old bulky bag, 60 scoops, 30 servings. If you're doing 2 scoops per serving, like we recommend. Now, sometimes in the afternoon, I just need a little pick-me-up, and I'll just do half the water or half the coconut milk or almond milk and just do 1 scoop just for a little pick-me-up. Or if I didn't get a full lunch or something, sometimes that just sees me through. We have this awesome Arbonne shaker cup that I just love. It's got this beautiful little mixer in here that makes sure it's completely mixed up, and then you just throw it in here. You mix it with 9 ounces of water, or coconut milk or almond milk. You want to stay away from dairy. And it's delicious with just water. It's a rich, thick, beautiful shake. Again, stay away from whey and soy. If you're on whey or soy products, that can really change your body. And it affects your hormones, which is the basis of so many functions in our body. This vegan protein mix is easily digestible. You never get any of that bloating, none of that heavy, full sensation. It fills you. You're satiated. It is highly, highly, highly packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, and your body is going to thank you. At this time, and what I do, if you go on our website, www.dongonzalez, DONGONZALEZ.Arbonne, ARBONNE.com, you can shop, and it's going to ask you if you want to shop as a retail client, if you want to register as a preferred client, or if you want to register as an independent consultant. Preferred clients is a great position to get involved in because you can get your products on auto ship. You can change your auto ship on a regular basis. You can do that also on retail. But with preferred client number one, it's $29 for 12 months. During the month of October, that $29 is waived. You're going to get a 20% to 40% discount. You're going to get free shipping on all orders over $150 retail, and then you get your discount on that. Any order under $150 retail is a flat $5.95 shipping fee in the United States. You're going to earn free products and, of course, earn the free shipping. And then this month you get to, if you put in an order for $150 retail, you will have the $29 registration fee waived. It's an exciting month to get involved. This is a delicious, fantastic product. Aside from this product, we also have a very delicious energy fizz sticks that are just phenomenal. Instead of drinking those energy drinks, it's going to be so much healthier for you to order the energy fizz sticks. It's a little stick of powder that you put in your water. It comes in citrus and pomegranate flavor, and it gives you a boost of minerals, and that just gives you a good, steady energy boost without a high level of any kind of spike or any kind of drop. You don't hit the wall and then all of a sudden are exhausted like so many of these other drinks. It's purely vitamins and minerals, so it's a good, healthy energy boost for you. The combination really helps you stay on the right track for a healthy lifestyle and makes you feel so wonderful. So if you have any questions, please feel free to message me. It's a great, great product to get it on, and I just can't say enough. Arbonne does always offer a 45-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, we make sure you're okay. But I can promise you, you're going to love these shakes and you're going to love the energy fizz sticks. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at any time. Thank you. Appreciate you popping in today.